easy and fast passive income? Where do you find them? And how can we make sure that everything that we see on the internet is truly legit? Well, today is your lucky day that you stumbled onto this video, because in today's video, I am going to show you one platform out there that you can use to earn easy and fast passive income right now. But remember, as I always say, to not skip any part of this video, as every single thing that I will show you is important, so that you may use this method to the best of your abilities and enjoy all the benefits of running easy and passive income around here. So if you are excited to learn about this strategy, then stay tuned until the very end of this video. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. With that said, I would like to welcome everyone to Smart Money Girl. In this channel, I love teaching people how to build a business and make money online the smart way. And if you don't want to miss out on more videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. We are now here on the platform that will be paying us. So we can see right here it says tasks are accomplished fast, which means that you will earn easy and as fast as possible with this platform. Then projects are at low cost, so you will earn a ton of money with just low cost for yourself, which is a huge benefit for you as considering how much and how high you can earn with this method. Trust me guys, you will really love it. Employers are also fulfilled. So this means guys that a lot of their members around here really enjoy their time with this platform, which I know you will surely love as well. Workers are happy and compensated promptly. So as I said, all the people and members on this platform are not wasting their time on this platform as they are all very happy that they found this website. And I assure you that you too will love it. And lastly, in general, it simply works. So I know you are really curious about what this website really is. So the name of this website is actually rapidworkers.com. If you liked what you are viewing and learning in this video, please smash the like button and comment down below what country you are watching this video from. This will help maintain my strategies be effective worldwide. I'm really excited to see them. Now, back on the video. So it says right here that Rapid Workers is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 workers. Our team helps individuals and small businesses and professionals to create low-cost off-the-city and marketing campaigns to increase sales, better ranking, backlinks, and much more. We are combining workers and employers to minimize publicity and marketing cost while at the same time providing money for everyday users. Amazing! So now, we will just easily sign up by clicking this one right here where it says, Be a part of Rapid Workers now, and you will be redirected to this page. So now, just fill up all the necessary information right here. But look at this guys, there are some reminders you need to follow to be accepted here. This is why I mentioned for you to watch all throughout every single part of this video, because if you don't, you will not be accepted at all and you will not earn as much. So for the first one, using VPN or other type of masking software is not allowed. Secondly, multiple accounts with the same IP or using shared public Wi-Fi is also not allowed. Then thirdly, same IP uses other accounts to do tasks is not also allowed. And lastly, doing other country jobs that you're not from, it is also not allowed. All this will eventually ban, and if you got banned, don't waste your time making and off the council. So remember guys, to follow all these rules around here so that you will not get banned and not lose a great and free chance to earn a lot of money with this method that I just shared to you. Trust me guys, you would not want to miss out, so follow everything that I tell you. Then just click on this box that says you agree to the terms and conditions, and then create your account and you're done. Then it will bring you to your personal dashboard right here, wherein you can keep track of everything related to your account, like your balance, your deposits, your withdrawals, and a lot more. So there are a lot of available jobs around here, guys. So basically, you will see a job name, which is what the job is all about, then the country that is available from, the payment, and the time you need to accomplish the certain task. So our main focus in this method is getting paid to like different videos. So type in YouTube right here and it will show you different tasks that are available for this job. And you can then choose the job that is available for your specific country. And that is very easy to do as fast as possible. So that is it guys. Basically, after you sign up, it will show you a ton of jobs that are available. Then just choose what is the highest paying rate for your specific country, wherein you have a lot to choose from. And take note that these tasks are easy to do and will not take too much of your time. Just as easy as that. And now we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your love and support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my next uploads, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching everyone, and I'll see you all soon in my next smart ways to make money online.